Happy Good Friday. The video I was planning to do today got postponed because this. If you looked at the community tab, I sprained my wrist, which I figured I did, and Eric was doing something and he moved my hand and he was just like holding my hand, being sweet. I already took a shower because it was pouring outside. And he moved it just the right way, and I was like, okay, that's it. I can't keep putting it off. I need to go to urgent care. The giveaway, there is one person that was 1 year off, and they're international. And then there was one that was American that was about 1 year off or 2 years off. I think 1 year. I'm not exactly 100% sure right now. My brain hurts. But I will be reaching out to those people very soon. Of course, the items go to the one in the U.S. And then the other, there was only 4 people total that, I think maybe 5 that filled it out. And I will reach out to the one that's international, and I promise I will get a PayPal to you soon. I just don't know when, but it will be by the end of the month. You got to give me a minute. Unintended expenses all of a sudden. So I'm going to do that, and I'll have another video, and I'm going to talk about the autism giveaway. I realized I didn't do it. It was intentional, and there's going to be something bigger next year, but we'll have a whole video on that when I'm not in pain. So, but when I got home today, I checked the mail, and I got this. So I was like, okay, this is going to be labeled Boxycharm because I don't know what to call it because it's still supposed to be Boxycharm. It just says Ipsy. So we'll see what it is, right? I'm trying, okay, I have these, and I just poked my hand twice. It's like a little thing, but I poked my hand twice. So I don't know if they have it just says same great subscription, you know, and love with more perks than ever. Ipsy Boxycharm. Let me see if there's anything. Power picks. You choose 3. It doesn't say. Introducing the icon box. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Alright, so I don't know. I don't see a thing in here. So I don't know if I'll be able to do I do believe whenever I ordered it, it said my box would be worth 100 and something, like 150. So it's still got a good value. It's got these. So I guess it's good that there doesn't look to be any pallets in here, because I don't think this would keep it from. I don't know. I'm trying to figure everything out. Okay, let's just go for it. Okay, the first thing is Saturday Skin Carrot Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. I thought this would be the easiest video to do. It's powered by 7 peptides. Looks like this. It's very heavy. I don't want to open it because once you open it, it's only good for 12 months, and I'm not too needing a new moisturizer right now. Place moisturizer into palm of hand using all 4 fingers. Apply outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into the skin. So I'm guessing that means you would go like this. Like from the in to out. Sounds good. But I don't want to open it because I don't want it to be having to hurry up and be used. And that's probably about 50 bucks right there. I forget Ipsy. All the videos I ever watch of Ipsy, they don't have the prices inside. This is Origins Ginseng into Glow Brightening Serum. It looks like that on the box. Oh, that's beautiful. I love the way that bottle looks. It's a serum, and it is for Sea Fresh Faced Wide awake radiance in an instant. This fast-acting serum visibly brightens the skin in seconds. Green coffee seed extract, part of our advanced resurfacing complex, helps support skin's natural enzyme action to promote the skin's natural exfoliation for a resurfaced look and feel. Does it tell me stuff like that on this one? Yeah, it says this ultra moisturizing cream packed with superfood extracts from carrots combined with ceramides and lipids help protect your skin's appearance from drying environmental stressors. 3 potent extracts from carrot combined with niacinamide improves the look of the skin's tone, texture, centella aesthetica. I love that. Assist in the appearance of healthy looking skin overall, and it's supposed to help with like if you're having breakouts. So these two together should be really good. I have current serum, so I don't want to break any seals. BFF, Best Face Forward Purifying Cleanser with BHA, aloe vera, finger lime, and green tea. Looks like this. It's a little squeezy tube. To be used morning and night. Dampen face with warm water. Apply small amount of cleanser to clean wet hands and rub together until foamy. Gently massage on face. Avoid eye area. Rinse and pat dry. See if it's sealed. I need a cleanser, so I'm not real worried about that. It does have a really pretty, like, citrusy smell almost. Yeah, I would say almost like a fresh citrus type smell. Does it have lime? Yeah. So there, I like the way that looks. And that's good for in the shower too. Sorry, I almost dropped it. Okay. We have Make for a look that'll make a bang with small amount over clean dry skin before applying with makeup. What is it? Make it bang transport. Okay, it's a facial primer. I love the. Ouch. This is like a lime. It's like glowing on this side, and it's got a little thing. Okay, it's nice. Little squeezy tube. Ingredients: water. Also used alone for with a natural finish. Oh, it's sealed. All right. And we have Hip Dot. I picked these. I was like, okay, sponges. Seems like a good idea. So that's 5 items. It's not bad. It's a little skincare heavy. I didn't have many options for makeup this time. At least not any that I didn't already have. We'll see. The jury's still out on whether or not I'm canceling. I'm going to go rest because I didn't realize how much movement would happen with doing this. And I will reach out to the people who did win, and I will get your box or your money to you as soon as I can. I promise. Yeah, I'm going to go rest. It's just one of those days. It's been, Jason broke down this morning. My hand started being really bad this morning. It's been a moment. So I love y'all. Have a happy Easter, and I will be back with 2 videos next week because I have to get some videos done. I'm trying to get back in the swing of things because I just feel no energy to do much lately, but maybe it'll get better. Love you.